We in the lab working. Got the welder out. Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. This temporary. I might cut this off, cut this weld. I just mounted a bracket up here just to put these mirrors on here, just to see how it's gonna look. Close that window. See how it's gonna look. They make brackets directly for this mirror, but they like $300. And yeah, I don't feel like paying that. So y'all can see this, the old mirror right here. Old cheap mirror. I'm gonna be replacing it with this one. And this one actually, it slides out too. It slides out. So yeah, let's get it. All right, y'all. So I'm getting this old shock out so I can put the new ones in. Doing a bunch of shit on this damn truck. But yeah. We ain't got nothing but time. I ain't gotta please no bride no more. So I do what the fuck I wanna do now. You feel me? I need a size smaller. Oh, I know that's the size, you mother sucker. No? Maybe this size. That's too loose. I'll be right back. Let me find the right size. So I want to strip this damn nut. Alright, so I got this old shock out. Rancho 9000. Press them down. And look. Bullshit. Fucking shock don't even retract. It's stuck. Fucking trash. Look at that. They're supposed to spring back out. Fucking trash. That's why we replacing them. Replacing it with these bad boys. Ooh. Beefy. Alright, y'all. And so we got one of them, man. Y'all know I be working kind of fast. I be trying to get shit done. It's Sunday. I'm trying to get back in the house, eat some seafood. I got one shock in. Now, time to do that side. Garbage. Spring still ain't come back out yet. Garbage. Alright, y'all, so I got both sides done. And my jack back there just gave up on me. One of the cylinders just blew up on me. It started leaking hydraulic fluid everywhere, so I don't have a jack to do what I need to do. So I think I'm gonna call it quits for the day. I got a lot of shit accomplished. So I think I'm happy with that. Time to go get some seafood, go in the house and chill out.